Welcome back to FastTalks channel. In this video I'll try to explain my solution about 6Q kata run length encoding. 94% of users gave positive feedback, so run length encoding (RLE) is a very simple form of data compression in which runs of data that is sequenced in which the same data value occurs in many consecutive data elements are stored as a single data value and count rather than as the original run. Wikipedia. So your task is to write such a run length encoding for a given string, return a list or array of pairs of arrays. For example, array I1S1, I2S2, IN/SN, such that one can reconstruct the original string by replicating the character ix times and concatenating all those strings. Your run length encoding should be minimal, i.e. for all I the values si and si plus 1 should differ. So examples. Run length encoding hello world should return a new array with array of arrays with 1 H, 1 E, 2 L, 1 O, and so on. It's very effective if the same data value occurs in many consecutive data elements. AAB should return 34A and 3B. So let's go into my solution. Let's define a function run length encoding. It's a function which accepts S as argument, and if S length equal to 0, we should return an empty array. So let's define a new empty array. Let R, it should be equal to empty array. Let's start a cycle. For this cycle, let I variable should be equal to 0, and while I less than s dot length, it's a length of our accepted string, and we should increase our I variable I++. So let's go into our cycle. Let C should be equal 1, and while I less than s dot length minus 1 and s with I indexes equal to s with indices I plus 1, we should update C indices and I indices. We should increase them, C++, I++, and after that we should push to our array our letter and our times of our count of this current letter. We should do it with string r.push braces cs with indexes I. And after that we should return our resultant array. So let's return R. It should work. So let's test it. And let's attempt it. So let's submit our final kata solution. Thanks for watching. Bye.